I'm Anil Kumar, and with the help of this video, we will understand what is a geometric sequence and how to write general formula for a geometric sequence. So we are starting with a very simple basic question. It is, determine the general formula for the following geometric series. So we are already given three geometric series. We need to write general formula. Since we are just beginning to learn about it, I have also given you the general formula here. Tn equals to a r to the power of n minus 1. Tn is the general term, nth term, right? Subscript will tell you if I write T1, it is the first term, T2 is the second term, T3 third term, Tn is nth term. A is the first term, so write A is the first term, right? T1, and R is the common ratio. Every geometric series will have a fixed ratio. That is to say that the next term, if the first term is A, the next term will be A times R, and after that A times R squared. So in general, a geometric series will be kind of like this, starting with A, right? And there'll be A times R, and then A times R squared, A times R cubed, likewise till a to the power of r n minus 1. That is what we mean here, right? Where n is a natural number. Natural numbers are numbers which start with 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? These are natural numbers. 0 is not included. Remember that part. Now let's start slowly and understand basic concepts. The first geometric series given to us is, the first term is 7 and common ratio is 5. What does it mean? It means that the first term starting is 7. The next is 7 times 5, that is 35. Do you understand? So 7 times 5. Let me write like this. And the next term will be 7 times 5 times 5, that means 5 square. And likewise. Do you understand? That is how the terms are going to be. Let us use calculator and write the terms. So what we will get, I'll write in a different thing. So we have first term is 7, right? So that is 7. 7 times 5 will give us 35. Then the next term will be again times 5, 175. And then times 5. Keep on multiplying to get the next term. So that is kind of concept. Likewise, we can create our geometric sequence, right? So you can write as many terms as you want. Now, let us answer the question. The question is, determine the general formula for the following geometric series. So you see, it is a geometric series where the first term is 7, ratio is 5. So what we can say here is that we have a geometric series where first term is A is given to us as 7, common ratio R is given to us as 5. So the general term T of n or Tn is equals to first term 7 times ratio, common ratio, which is 5 to the power of n minus 1, where n belongs to set of natural numbers, which is this set, correct? So that is how you can easily write the general formula. I hope the steps are clear. Now let's look into the second example. The first term is 144, so we know A is equals to 144. The second term is 366. Now the second term is, we'll say write T2. First term is also T1, right? Is 36. We need to find the geometric sequence first. Now here, since we know the terms but we do not know the ratio, let us find R first. So R is second term divided by the first term, which is equal to A. So second term for us is 36 divided by 144. You know, 12 times 12 is 144 and 12 times 3 is 36. So we can write 3 over 12, which could further be simplified dividing by 3 as 1 over 4. So R is 1 over 4. Now we know R is 1 over 4 and A is 144. correct? A is 144, R is 1 over 4. We are going to apply our formula, which is general term Tn is equals to A, which is 144, R to the power of, it's good to write R in brackets, 1 over 4, to the power of n minus 1. N minus 1. Do you understand? Where we have already defined what n is. N belongs to natural numbers. So that is how you get your answer. I hope that's very clear to you, right? Now let's see the C part, which is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1, and so on. Is it a geometric sequence? It is. Since what is really happening here is that the first term A is 1 and R is minus 1, right? So next time when you multiply by minus 1, you get plus 1. So that is how this series is generated. General term here can be written as Tn equals to the first term, which is 1, and then R is minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. Now there is no point writing 1 here, so we can simply write as minus 1 to the power of n minus 1, right? You can test. If I write n as 1, then I get something to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, so we get 1 here. If I write n as 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 1 to the power of 1 is minus 1, so we'll get this series. If n is odd, then n minus 1 will be even. Even powers of minus 1 are going to be positive, right? And then negative. So that is how it works. I hope with this video you got the basic concept. You can now recognize a geometric sequence. It starts with a number and every other number is multiplied by a fixed number, which we call as common ratio. And general formula for any geometric sequence is Tn equals to A, the first term, times R to the power of n minus 1. Remember, A is actually the first term, so T1, okay? So that is kind of important to understand. Let's now explore more about geometric sequences. Thank you and all the best.